got this vehicle over here. It's got short circuit, so radio is not coming up. I turn the key on, nothing at all, as you can see. And he's keep blowing the fuse. As soon you put the new fuse, it's blow straight away. So let's time in. Okay, so it's take quite long, and I took the stereo out and stripped everything and took the circuit board out and tried to figure out what's wrong, and I did repair, and hopefully it's gonna work now. So let's try. Yes, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Yeah. DeenFix, remember.